What's up viewers, Eric from B-Side. Today I'm very excited to announce a very new product. It's the BeatSonic SAB-02. It's basically a standalone Android box that is compatible with all the new vehicles that's factory equipped with Apple CarPlay. And where you usually connect your phone into, you will connect this device into it, and then basically it will convert the factory CarPlay into an Android device. So it's almost like converting your factory infotainment system to an Android tablet. And you can utilize a factory touchscreen to navigate through all the Android features, such as the ones that you'll find in a typical Android tablet. And this is compatible with all the new Toyotas with CarPlay, also the Hondas, and also compatible with other car manufacturers that has touchscreen and Apple CarPlay. So if you can see over here, this is the main unit, the actual computer. It also comes with a USB Type-C to USB. So basically you'll connect the USB Type-C into here, and this will connect into where you would normally connect Lightning to USB cable that connects to your phone for Apple CarPlay to be enabled. It also comes with its own GPS over here. This is if you want to use GPS or any sort of applications on the Android box that requires a GPS, such as Apple Maps, Waze, Google Maps, and so forth. And this also has its own harness here that will plug directly into your fuse. This already has its own fuse. It's a 2 amp, so all you need to do is just pull one of your 5 amp fuse, plug it in here, and then plug this in and ground the other side of the wire. So today I'm going to show you a demonstration how all this works. We are not going to be connecting the GPS harness today, but we're just going to be connecting the actual computer over here. Alright, so let's go inside the vehicle and let's get started. Alright, so now we're in the vehicle and I have my SAB-02. All you have to do is locate your connector for your CarPlay, and I see it down here for the RAV4. I'm just going to simply just connect it in there. And once you connect it, we will have to wait for this device to load. It will take about a minute, so let's give it about a minute. You'll find that the green LEDs on here is going to be blinking. And then once it's loaded, give you a little warning sign. And afterwards, it just becomes an interface for an Android tablet. And from here on out, you can go ahead and go to Google Play and download the necessary apps. Before we do so, note that you will need to use a hotspot in your vehicle to get the most use out of this. So right now there's no connection to it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect to my phone's hotspot. So when you use this, it is important to have a hotspot. So Eric's iPhone. So I connected to my phone, and it appears that I already have the password saved onto this device. I already connected it before. So once you have it connected, you can use the functions for like YouTube. All right, here's our BeatSonic channel. And you have a little control here. It's a back button. This is a menu button. And there's also the voice command. So let me go back. All right. So for this kit, compared to our smartphone mirroring, the image quality is better on this because it is going through a high definition channel port. So why would you rather get this compared to the smartphone mirroring? So if you want a higher quality image and very seamless, basically no installation, this is really a truly plug and play. You just plug into the factory USB and it works, then this is what you want to get. But the downside about this is you need a hotspot. You're either going to always have to use a hotspot off your phone, or you're going to need a separate hotspot in your vehicle. So that's the downside. If you also use Apple CarPlay, you're going to have to switch it back and forth between CarPlay and this. So that's another thing that you might want to consider. Okay, so with this standalone Android box, the possibilities are limitless because you have direct access to Google Play Store, and you could go ahead and download any apps you want and use it on this vehicle. Basically, this is an Android tablet. You do have to sign into your account first to do this. I haven't done so, but go ahead and do it when you have time. These are some of the apps you can use and much more. So it just depends what you're looking for. If you want a simple plug and play phone mirroring system, we recommend the TIF-02. If you want something that requires you to use a hotspot but a better quality image, then this is the box that I recommend. This doesn't require any installation as well. Alright guys, this concludes our video of the demonstration of our SAB-02, the standalone Android box. Depending on what you're looking for, this could be the solution that will match your needs better than a smartphone mirroring system. Smartphone mirroring system does not require a hotspot, but this one does. But at the same time, this SAB-02 doesn't really require any installation. It's much easier to use. At the same time, the image quality is better. If you're interested in this, let us know. We're starting our wait list on this, and we will start to deliver it probably in about a month. So let us know. Let us know if you have any questions. If you have more questions about which one you should get, this or the phone mirroring system, let us know. Be very happy to answer your questions. At the same time, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a like. Thank you so much for watching.